Let's make strawberry milkshake mochi dessert. It's delightfully chewy and has a soft, doughy consistency. When you bite into it, a soft resistance gives way to a smooth, sticky chewiness. Welcome to Sweets and Treats channel. My name is Annie and let's start. For mochi filling, we need mascarpone cheese, strawberry yogurt, heavy cream, white chocolate, strawberries, fresh or frozen, glucose syrup, gelatin powder and very cold water. I've already cut strawberries into small cubes. Combine gelatin powder with very cold water. Allow the gelatin to set for 5 to 10 minutes. In microwave-safe bowl, combine white chocolate, strawberries and glucose syrup. Melt the mixture, microwaving it in 30 seconds intervals, stirring after one another. Once your gelatin has bloomed and set, it will be fairly thick. Heat it gently over a low burner flame or in microwave on low heat. Add melted gelatin into the bowl with chocolate strawberries mixture. Mix it well. In spare bowl, combine cold mascarpone cheese, cold heavy cream and strawberry yogurt. Whip it until firm peaks. Add chocolate strawberries mixture and mix it well. Use piping bag to fill the mold. I'm using sphere silicone mold with 5 cm diameter. Freeze it until completely frozen. For the mochi dough, we need glutinous rice flour, icing sugar, cornstarch, water, vegetable oil and powdered red or pink food coloring. In mixing bowl, combine flour, icing sugar, cornstarch, water and oil. Mix it well. Add a little bit of food coloring and mix it again. Pour the mixture in the pan and place it on medium heat. Keep stirring it until the dough is fully cooked. It will not stick to spatula. Then cover the dough with the clean film and keep it at room temperature to cool completely. Dust the surface with cornstarch. Cut the dough into 6 equal pieces. It will be around 30 grams each piece. Roll out one piece of the dough, place frozen filling and wrap it up. Put mochi in a cupcake liner and keep it in the fridge or at room temperature to defrost. You can also keep this mochi in freezer up to 1 month and just defrost anytime you want. Our mochi are ready, enjoy every bite of it.